We were told that for us to succeed in life, we need multiple streams of income. And I took this statement to heart. And for the past 7 years after my graduation, I've gone from learning one skill to another, from videography to graphic design, selling shoes, screen printing. Do you know what? I failed. I failed so much that paying my house rent became a prayer point for me, to the point that I sold almost everything I had just to meet up. I was left with only my laptop and my mobile phone. I failed to the point that even the people I give money to start avoiding me. So it was at that time I had to sit down to take a stock of my life. He said, teach us to number our days so that we may apply our hearts to wisdom. For you to succeed in life as a starter, you don't need multiple streams of income. You need one thing. I discovered that it is men of one thing that change their world. It is men of one thing that make things happen in life. So I said to myself, I'm going to pursue after content creation and to help other people succeed, teaching what they love. Search for that one thing. Stay on it. And perhaps tomorrow, when everything is well set up and when everything blows up, you can now begin to think of another streams of income. But for now, stay on it, focus on it, because men of influence stay on one thing. Let wisdom guide you. Click on that follow button for more video like this.